We have said it time without numbers. It is not the evil people that will destroy the society. It is when the people decided to keep their mouth shut or look aside over the evil happening in the society. That is what will destroy the society. That is what will destroy the world. We are speaking, we are talking. Nigeria is spoiling like this. Imagine all of us keep quiet like you. Because some people will come and say, you people are jobless. It's just on the internet making noise. Fine. You might look at it that we are making noise, that we are jobless. But we are talking, criticizing the government, giving people information, rotating, giving people the right information, analyzing situation, calling out the government, the evil they do, then commenting and even approving those who are doing well. We are doing all this, yet the government of the day are still doing atrocity. Killings and kidnapping, insecurity, bad economic policy are taking place. Imagine all of us be like you that keep quiet. You know, many of us will think that it is our father and mother that made us good people. You see some people saying, my mother trained me well, my father trained you well. But you have forgotten that man you look as a bad person in the compound. That uncle will be say, once when I come back from school, kick ball, the man go say, who be that? Who they play that ball? This hot afternoon, come on, go inside. He say, this man, I don't know, say this man, their house. You know that allow us play. That man is the one that contributed to your goodness, not even your father, not even your mother. Because sometimes you get familiar with your parents. You get familiar with the instruction your both parents gave to you. But that man, that papa chick and that papa ebele, that he doesn't know his decisions, that can easily flog you without looking at your father's face, is part of those who discipline you to make you obey the law of your father. Because I know your father would have told you if you come back home, don't play ball or wash your clothes. But when you come back home, you say, time see they make we play ball like 30 minutes. But that man go there inside and say, who be that? I will tell your father that you are playing ball when you come back from school. You quickly you say, no be me on a Chika they play ball, no be me on a Musa they play ball. You went and quickly go wash clothes, back. You hate the man, but that man speaking, standing up is the reason why you're a good person in the society today. So when you give praise to your mother, to your father, remember that man when you think a bad person. That is the person that helps you become good person. This is what most of these guys that are setting camera, talking on internet are helping you to become. Tomorrow, when you say this government do well or the society is functioning well, these are the people who are checkmating the government officials for them to do well for you. So when you say they are jobless, they are on internet, go and find job. This is a better job they are doing for you. This is what many of you like to understand. When you see people like us set camera to talk, it's not because we are jobless. It's because we feel concerned. If all of us become dumb and quiet like you, imagine where the country will be. And the government are still doing evil, even putting fear in the minds of those who are speaking for them not to continue speaking. Look at it now. We are shouting our willow in what happened in Delta State few days ago, where the Nigerian police dress like court people. They don't even dress like police people again, shouting like say they be court members. They became the law, they became the executioner. In a cold day, broad daylight, put gun in somebody's body. The man who has no hand, who has no threat, who is not ready to run, just murdered the guy in the court day. We are still saying about that one. Now, this guy too, Justice Crack, has also been missing in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. For 2 days now, 24 hours going, nobody knows his whereabouts. The wife don't cry, I tire. People will talk, no, they safe. You will keep quiet, no, they safe. If you say the injustices are made to people who are speaking against the government, who are speaking against Tinubu, you go dog. Even you wait to say they support Tinubu, they catch you. You come ewa. According to Zebdiah. Elias 430 in there. They will do. See, Nigeria is happening to everyone. Nigeria is happening to everyone, including the army. Nigeria is happening to them. How many times have they been overrun by the terrorist group? How many times brigadiers and generals have been killed in a cold day like this? Murdered, and nobody could even catch the people who murdered the generals in the Nigerian army. No wonder the Southeastern Igbo said, the youth say, they don't want to join again. Mona whole army will not want to join. Because evils are happening to everybody. Even when you wear uniform. Politicians are playing politics with even the army officers. Then people that speak on their behalf, they will still use the ignorant, should I say ignorant or naive? I don't even understand how you see people like us who are speaking for the good of you as an army officer or as a police officer. We make video to tell the government they are not paying these people well, yet the government will tell you to arrest. So that is why I've never and I will never accept all this one where people they come to say na CIA they sponsor Boko Haram. Thunder go fire you for believing that lie. Person come from abroad, give you money, make you your fellow Nigerians, you accept it. Are you not mumu? Person go tell you put hand for fire, they blame the person who advise you. So you don't get sense to know say the fire will burn you. If you do not want to kill your fellow brothers, no stranger will come and give you money and say, commit this atrocity, and you commit it. But because it's in your heart, you don't have the money. And then somebody now sponsor you, you now be turning around be saying, I've been at CIA, they cause them. America the one spoiling terrorists. America the one spoiling Nigeria. If you Nigerians refuse the America, how would they come inside and be carrying gun and be killing us? Nigerians will not send our foreigners, they can't kill us. So I don't believe all those lies. We are just evil on our own. And that evil is showing how the politicians are using us. People will come and be speaking to the government, telling them what they're doing is not good. They should treat their Nigerian citizens well, treat their army officers, those who are securing them well, make sure there is security, make sure there is good road. You Nigerians will be the one on the comment section telling them they don't have job. Why are you speaking? Tinubu 4+4. Who say it's not going to be 8+8? Who is saying anybody is against him? Even if Tinubu complete 4 years, did Nigeria end after 4 years? Will Nigeria end after 2031? You know they think. If Tinubu complete his 4 years, will he not come down? Will he be up there forever? Then what happens next? Because when people say this thing, you think say, okay, if you complete in 4 years, you know achieve everything you want to achieve, fine. What about you? Do you know whether you will be alive to finish that 4 years? What about your next generation? This is why people like us are setting camera to talk. Not because we are jobless. Like in my data state, I'm speaking now that we don't want Okowa to go there. Not because I hate him. Not because I want to be I'm not even the one contesting. I'm saying that the reason is because let allow Nwoko finish what he has started. That we may have our state to be free, to be self-governed by ourselves. But the same people, you know, in the same anoma are the ones speak. So tomorrow you now come and be saying, na Oyibo or na Yoruba people or na Bini person, they make a Nyoman or Urobo person because we share the same state. That's why the data note is not progressing. When you are the one in your mind countering people like us who are telling you the right thing to do, the right person to vote, the right way to go, you are ignorantly, because you know what they call you Igbo, because they say Igbo people do this, you are there. So at the end of the day, you are not pointing finger to someone, you are pointing one finger to person. 3 is telling you are the one that have a problem. If the good people keep quiet, the society will spoil. I urge all of you to start speaking up. Those police people should not just go to prison for 6 months and then they relocate them or they reshuffle them into the society and post, because if they can do it to repentant Boko Haram, this police people case after 6 months when everywhere don't die on the internet, the Nigerian police can remove them from the prison and send them to another place in different locations, not Delta again. We should follow it to the end, and we also should follow this justice crack on case. Let us know where his location. If Nigerian police knew or Nigerian army knew that they don't have anything to do with him, you know, they should find his dead body, dead or alive. If he's dead, find it and investigate who killed him or who kidnapped him, whatever case it should be, and exonerate yourself from it. Let people not be putting an allegation on your head. The reason why Nigerians are comfortable calling you people is because over the time you people are complicit, you people have colluded with the politicians to commit a certain different types of atrocities. I'm out of here, Joe.